Hey, welcome back to my channel. Expat Rebel Chris here, and our construction people decided to take the day off because there was a big forecast of rain, and they're exactly right. It just started to rain really hard, and they were going to do construction work, the concrete work today, and we also had our electrician was going to come as well to finish off some work, get the steam room equipment in and the pool equipment in, and of course they're not coming out during a tropical rainstorm. It's nothing, there's no name to it or anything. The storm doesn't have a name, but as you can tell, it's a little bit rainy. One way to fill the pool. That's it for here from Yucatan, Mexico. We actually have a forecast of rain for a few days actually. So we may, all our almost done projects are maybe on hold in the meantime. So that's it for now. If you like the video, make sure you hit like, subscribe. If you want to see more videos like this, right now I'm doing a home renovation here on the beach in Yucatan, Mexico. And I'll be doing some other things in the future as well. And if you want a weekly newsletter about all things expat related, go over to expatrebel.com/newsletter. See you guys next time. Bye.